Hi, this is Faniraj Jaligama, founder and CEO of Aja Consulting Services. I have 30 years of experience, first 10 years being worked as a government employee in Judiciary Department. The next 10 years, I worked in IT industry in various roles in product companies, services companies, and captives. Later in 2015, I became an entrepreneur by starting an IT company. With this rich 30 years of experience, I am driving Aja.
Hi, my name is Indralil Kumar Shetty. I'm working as a CTO in Aja Consulting Services. I totally have 14 years of experience, worked in product-based companies as well as service-based companies. I started my journey as a developer. Later on, I was transformed into senior data engineer. Now I'm managing technical teams. Collectively, with this 14 years of experience, I'm driving Aja.
Hi, I'm Shashankar Reddy. I'm working as a coding tutor manager at Aja Consulting Services. I have 16 years of experience, development and training. With this collective experience, I'm driving Aja.
Hi, my name is Chandrasekhar. I'm working at Aja Consulting Services as a coding tutor delivery manager. I have 25 years of software industry experience with various roles. With this collective experience, I'm driving Aja.
Hi everyone, I'm Surya Prakash Rao Posunapalli, working as an assistant manager at Aja Consulting Services LLP. I have overall of 7.5 years of experience and worked with different domains, including hiring and etc. However, with all this experience of 7.5 years, I'm driving Aja.
Hello everyone, my name is Raviteja Koduru. I'm heading the sales at Aja. I'm having 8 years of experience in IT services and staff augmentation. As part of IT services, I brought projects from North America, Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, and Mauritius. As part of staff augmentation, I am dealing with 30 plus customers in India and abroad customers. With this rich experience, I am driving Aja.
Hi, this is Dattu Marupaka. I have 7 years of experience. I started my career in infra and realty industry. To accelerate growth in my career, I got into IT industry and became SailPoint and Savient consultant. With lot of passion to become an entrepreneur, I joined hands with Faniraj Jaligama and joined Aja. With this 7 years of rich experience, I am driving Aja.
Hello everyone, myself Narendra Reddy Markanti, working as a manager sales at Aja Consulting Services. I have 12 years of experience in IT industry in various departments, L&D, RMG, and project management, staff augmentation services. With this experience, I am driving Aja now.
Hi, I am Yogita and I am working as manager sales at Aja Consulting Services. I have 6 years of experience in IT industry. My journey started as a junior programmer and then followed by an exciting role as a UI developer. Over the past 1 year at Aja, I have contributed in multiple roles such as UI UX designer and then as a delivery manager and now into the sales. With this blend of both technology and business exposure, I can proudly say that I am driving Aja.
Hi, I am Saikiran Gundapalli, working as Assistant Manager Sales in Aja Consulting Services. I have 7 years of experience in talent acquisition group, US and domestic staffing services and hiring. With all this collective 7 years of experience, now I am driving Aja.
Hi, my name is Anil Tota. I am working as a manager sales at Aja Consulting Services. I have 4+ years of experience in different roles. I worked in payroll, HR, now I am into sales. With this collective experience of 4 years in different roles, now I am driving Aja.
Hi, I am Pushpa, currently working as a manager sales at Aja Consulting Services. I have 2.5 years of experience in IT industry. I began my career as a software engineer. But when I joined in Aja, I involved in multiple roles based on organizational needs. Started as a floor manager, then moved into assistant manager delivery, now dealing initiatives in sales. With all those collective experience, I am driving Aja.
Hi, this is Navin Raula. I am working as a finance manager at Aja Consulting Services. I have 8 years experience in IT, finance and operations. With this 8 years of collective experience, I am driving Aja.
Hi, I'm Shravya Patlala, working as finance manager with Aja Consulting Services. I'm having 6 years of experience into finance domain. Prior to Aja, I have worked with Ojas, Amazon and Credofin Management Services. Irrespective of industries, my primary experience comes into accounting and finance. With the 6 years of experience, I'm driving Aja.
Hi, this is Kalyan Nathari, working as a manager for the creative team at Aja Consulting Services. Having 13 years of experience into networking, L&D and marketing. Now into creative team. With this 13 years of collective experience, I am driving Aja.
Hi, I am Ashwini Pasam, heading HR vertical in Aja Consulting Services. I hold 12 years of experience in human resources. I started my career as a HR into non-IT organizations. I worked for 4 years. Later, I moved to IT. I worked for different roles in HR operations. With all this collective experience, I am driving Aja.
Hello everyone, I am Kirti Neelam, Manager HR, Aja Consulting Services. I bring with me 6.8 years of experience into core HR functionalities. Prior to working with Aja, I worked with White Thoughts and Branding and Vision Infotech. With the diverse experience into HR functionalities, now I am driving Aja Consulting Services.
Hi, I am Elena Malla, working as Human Resource Business Partner in Aja Consulting Services. I have 6 years of experience into hiring, people management, HR operations and payroll administration. With all this experience, I am driving Aja.
Hi, this is Rukmini Janjanam, working as Manager Human Resource in Aja Consulting Services. I have around 7 years of experience in HR operations. With all this experience, I am driving Aja.
Hi, this is Prashant Kumar Surabhi, working as COO at Aja Consulting Services. I have 18 years of experience. First 10 years I was into my family business, which is constructing bridges for Indian Railways. After that, I have started a manufacturing unit of ceramic pipes. With this collective experience of 18 years from different industries, now I am driving Aja.
Aja is young, 3 years old, dynamic and fast-growing company. But Aja's leaders, they bring a hopping 216 years of experience to drive Aja. We all together are building and driving Aja.